How to delete Facebook Lite account. So if you want to delete Facebook Lite account, then first of all you need to open up your Facebook Lite application and make sure to log into your account. And after logging in, you can go for the upper right corner which has that three bar icon, and you can go for settings. And now under account you can go for personal and account information, which is on the first option, and then go for account ownership and control, and go for deactivation and deletion, and then choose delete your account and continue account deletion, and simply choose a reason why you would like to delete your account, and then tap on continue to account deletion. And scroll down, and here you can go for delete account, and this is the last step. You have to enter your password, and after entering your password, simply tap on continue and your account will be deleted. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.